Hello everyone and welcome back to Hiddenium English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I'm very excited for our chat.
It is great to see you, Paul. You look very happy today. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I have my tea and I am ready to talk. And you, Emily, how are you?
I am great. A little busy, but very happy. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?
Oh, yes, it is very sunny. It makes me want to go outside. But first, we have work to do.
Yes, we do. Today we have a very important topic. It is something many people ask about.
Ooh, I'm curious. What is the topic for today?
Today we are talking about job interviews, specifically how to introduce yourself when you want a new job.
Wow, that is a big topic, Emily. A very important one. Many people feel nervous about interviews.
Yes, they do. Even in our own language, it is hard. In English, it can feel even more difficult.
But we are here to help. We want to make it easy for everyone.
Exactly. We have some great tips and examples for you today. But wait, before we start,
I know. Everyone, if you like our podcasts, please click the like button right now.
yes, and please subscribe to Hiddenium English channel. It helps us so much. We want to make many more videos for you.
And share this with your friends. If you know someone looking for a job, send this to them. It can help.
Thank you, Paul. Okay, let's start. Imagine you're at an office. You're sitting in a chair. You're waiting for the boss.
Oh, my heart is beating fast just thinking about it.
Don't be nervous, Call. The first part of a job interview is always the same. The boss says, "Hello, please tell me about yourself."
Ah, yes, the famous question, tell me about yourself. It is simple, but it is hard to answer.
It is. Many people don't know what to say. Should they talk about their cat, their favorite movie, their breakfast?
Probably not their breakfast. This is a job interview. You need to talk about your work and your skills.
Right. Think of it like a small story. A story about you and your job.
So where do we start the story?
Start with a greeting and your name. It is simple but important. Hello, my name is Emily.
And a smile. Remember our last episode? A smile is very important for confidence.
Yes, smile and look at the person. Then you can say where you are from. I am from London, or I am from Brazil.
Okay, name, city, and then what?
Then you talk about your job, your profession.
There are so many professions. Let's give some examples for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's start with a teacher. Paul, imagine you are a teacher. How do you say it?
Okay, I can say I am a teacher. I have 5 years of experience. I love helping students learn.
That is perfect. Experience is a great word. It means how long you did the job.
Yes, 5 years, 10 years, or maybe 1 year. It is all experience.
What about a doctor? A doctor can say, I am a doctor. I work in a big hospital. I help people feel better.
That is very clear. How about a nurse?
A nurse can say, I am a nurse. I am very organized and I care about my patients. Organized is a very good word for a job interview. Bosses love organized people.
They really do. What about someone who works with food, like a chef?
A chef can say, I am a chef. I love cooking delicious food. I work well in a busy kitchen.
I work well in a busy kitchen. That is a strong sentence. It shows you are not scared of hard work.
Exactly. Let's think of more. How about a driver, a delivery driver, or a bus driver?
A driver can say, I am a driver. I am very punctual and I know the city very well.
Punctual, that is a fancy word for A1 level, but very useful. It means always on time.
Yes, if you are a driver, you must be on time. Bosses love that.
What if someone works in an office, like an assistant or a receptionist?
They can say, I am an office assistant. I am good with computers and I like talking to customers.
Good with computers is a skill. It is important to mention your skills.
What if I don't have a job now? What if I'm a student?
That's okay. You can say, I am a student. I study engineering. I am very hardworking and I want to learn.
I want to learn. That is a great thing to say. It shows you have energy.
Yes, bosses like people who want to learn. Let's try an engineer. An engineer can say, I am an engineer. I like solving problems and building new things.
Solving problems. That is a very important skill for many jobs.
It is. Okay, Let's look at the structure again. Name, profession, experience or skill, and maybe one more thing, why you are there.
Ah, yes. I want to work for this company because I like your work.
Perfect. It shows you know the company. Let's try some more jobs. What about a sales assistant in a clothes shop or a supermarket?
A sales assistant can say, I am a sales assistant. I'm very friendly and I like helping people find what they need.
Friendly, that is key for sales. What about a waiter or a waitress?
They can say, I am a waiter. I have 2 years of experience in restaurants. I am very fast and I always smile.
A waiter who smiles is the best waiter. Wow, Emily, we have many examples now. Teacher, doctor, nurse, chef, driver, assistant, student, engineer.
You remember them all. Good job, Paul. I'm trying. But Emily, what if I forget the words?
That is a very good question. If you forget a word, just stay calm. Take a breath. Another good tip is to practice at home, like in the mirror.
Talk to the mirror. Hello, my name is Emily. I am a podcast host. I have 3 years of experience. I am happy to be here.
I will practice today. Hello, mirror. I am Paul. I am very funny and I like tea. Well, everyone, we hope this helps you.
Yes, we believe in you. You can do it. Just practice your introduction.
And before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, we do. We have a question for the comments.
Yes, we do. We have a question for the comments.
Tell us what is your job or what is your dream job?
Yes, practice your introduction in the comments. Say, hello, my name is, I am a...
We love reading your stories. It is so fun to see where you are from and what you do.
And please, if you found this helpful, share it with one friend today.
Yes, sharing is caring. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much for listening today. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.